Are you in search of a reliable, efficient, and easy to install brake assembly for your trailer? Your search ends here. Introducing the 7,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly, rated for 7,000 pounds and designed specifically for the right-hand or passenger side of your trailer. With the brake dimensions of 12 by 2 inches, this electric brake assemble is not just strong, but it's also Dexter compatible, ensuring that it's a perfect fit for your new Dexter axle. Now, replacing your old brake assembly is a breeze. Our 7,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly comes with a 5-bolt brake flange, making installation quick and hassle-free. All it takes is removing a few bolts and wires, and your trailer is ready to hit the road again. And guess what? It's rated at 7,000 pounds per pair, making it a powerhouse of a brake assembly. But that's not all. Our brake assembly features adjustment ports located at the rear, allowing for easy tweaking whenever necessary. No more fumbling around, just a straightforward adjustment and you're good to go. We believe in making brake replacements as simple as possible, which is why our whole brake assembly is designed for convenience. With just 5 bolts and 2 wires, you're all set with a new brake. Your satisfaction is our priority, which is why we offer a 1-year warranty on this product. We understand the diverse needs of different trailers, and that's why our brake assembly fits most 5.2K, 6K, and 7K axles, including Dexter, Leopard, Rockwell American, TK, Texas Pride, and many others. Here at the Trailer Parts Outlet, we are committed to providing you with the right parts at the right prices. So if you have any questions or need assistance with this product or any other in our catalog, don't hesitate to give us a call. Your safer and smoother journey awaits with our 7,000-pound trailer axle brake assembly. Order yours today and experience the ease of a seamless brake assembly solution.